Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So it looks like someone might be making the knot pillow for the first one. Okay. And then we move on to number 2, and this one features a marble table design. Wow, that looks amazing. So it looks like this project does involve some woodwork. So definitely not a beginner-friendly project. Oh, so she did use contact paper for the marble part. I was wondering if that was what she was gonna do. Yeah, that looks awesome. And if you do know how to work with wood, this would be a pretty easy project to try out. Very cool idea. I really like the decor in their home overall. I wonder if they did that wood paneling too as a DIY. All right, so moving on to the next DIY. Okay, so it looks like we don't get the full steps on this one, but it looks like they just have the glass cylinders and then painted the bottom part black. So this would be a very dollar store friendly, inexpensive project to try out. You can go to their YouTube channel to see the full video. I like the decor scheme though here with the black, gold, and the silver. Definitely my aesthetic and vibe. And even like the black flowers. And you guys know how it's fall and we've been checking out a few like little fall DIYs. I do have some fall like black themed pumpkins. I would say that's more like Halloween, but I don't know. I kind of consider it fall decor. Oh, beautiful gold table. Wow. That is pretty. I like the unique shape to it as well. It's so unique and different. Okay, they're gonna attempt to make this from dollar store items. This should be interesting. So it looks like we have a few trash bins here. Or they're either trash bins or plant pots. I'm not entirely sure. And then they have some pizza trays. Okay, spray painted them gold. Glued them together. I like the texture that it kind of created with the natural design of the item. Oh, they should have painted the top. Okay, I get the inspiration. I think, you know what? I think this came out decent, but I think that, yeah, they should have definitely painted the top. And then you can kind of see like a little bit of the glue. It's not the best DIY we've seen for tables, that's for sure. But I do like the inspiration and the effort that was put forth. I was excited about that one too, because the shape that we initially saw, I think maybe that might not have been a good like dollar store item. I don't know. Maybe, you know what? She probably could have pulled it off if she did like the bowls, like the punch bowls, and spray painted them gold. I think that might have been a little bit better because those are kind of like the IKEA bowls. And if you are an avid subscriber of this channel and you actively watch my content, you kind of know what I'm getting at with that. But yeah, that was a bit of a letdown. All right, so let's move on to the next DIY. It's like they have some type of gnome here. Looks like they're making some type of fall decor. All right, so they put the gnome on a stand. Well, it's a cute little simple project. Place them around the house. Cute. I like the one that's holding the pumpkins. Oh, wow, look at this. This is a beautiful vase. Yes, I said that like I was unsure because I am. But it looks like, yeah, it looks like a big vase. Wow, this is gorgeous. Very pretty. I love me some bling personally. I love bling. I love glam, especially when it comes to home decor. Like that is definitely my vibe, my aesthetic, my style. So I am just all for this. Oh, with the white orchids or white flowers. That's beautiful. Yeah, I really like this. All right, you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out today's content, all these DIY project ideas. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.